Hi friends, I just finished getting ready for the day and I wanted to show you my outfit. I'm wearing this super cute orange, this is plaid? Is that plaid? I think. Dress. The fit on this is so cute. It's the perfect length and then it has an adorable open back moment. It is from Princess Polly and I actually have a little try on haul for you guys of some stuff that I picked up from there. This video is actually sponsored by Princess Polly, so thank you guys so much for partnering with me on this video. I honestly haven't been shopping in so long and I feel like I needed some new pieces for summer. Princess Polly has so many cute, fun, trendy items. I'm super excited about all the pieces that I got. A little bit about Princess Polly before we get into the try on portion. Princess Polly ships from the US and you can get free express shipping to the US if you spend over $50 and it should arrive to you in like 3 to 4 days, which is amazing. So if you have like a summer barbecue or like a birthday or something fun that you need a little outfit for and you live in the US, they have super fast shipping. Princess Polly also offers AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. All the items I'm about to show you are exclusive to Princess Polly, so if you like any of them, you can check down below for the link and use my 20% discount code, which is MADDY20. Thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video, and let's get on with the try on. The first piece that I got is this orange dress that I'm wearing right now. I love the little sleeves and the open back, and this is just such a fun, cute summer dress. I got another plaid dress. This is very picnic vibes. I just love dresses for the summer. It's so easy when it's hot. You can just throw a dress on and go about your life. This one is maxi length and it ties on the shoulders, which I think is super cute. And it's just so flattering and comfortable and easy. I got 2 basic tank tops, which you can never have enough of, and these fit so well. These are like the most perfect tank tops. I have worn the white and the black one so many times since I got them. I'm loving little like button-up over shirts for the summer because you can just throw them on over a tank top when it gets like a little bit chilly at night or over a bathing suit. I got this like mossy green one. I got a pair of jeans, which another kind of sketchy thing to order online. So I did end up sizing up in these, which is fine. I also probably could have worn the size down, but I wanted them to be like super baggy boyfriend, like lower rise jeans, and they are perfect. I got this little green ribbed tank that like ties up on the sides so you can adjust how cropped it is. You may have seen these tops on my Instagram. These are the most perfect like night going out tops. They are so flattering, so soft, so comfortable. They make your boobs look amazing, as I'm sure you will see in the try on. I mean, I recommend all the stuff that I'm showing you, but like this top, you need it, okay? When I picked this out, I was like, I know everybody has this dress, but it's because it looks so good on everybody. It's so flattering, it's so sexy, and like just the perfect dress. That concludes the haul portion of this video. Thank you again, Princess Polly, for sponsoring. If you guys want to check them out, I will leave links down below to everything that I mentioned, and you can use my code MADDY20 for 20% off your purchase. On with the rest of the video. I have quite a few updates to show you. We've got a couch. It's this really beautiful pistachio color, and it's kind of like ribbed. I love the base of it. I think it's so beautiful. This came from one of our favorite vintage stores, 6 in Detroit. And then we have a Noguchi replica coffee table that is really dirty and needs to be cleaned, but that came from Facebook Marketplace. All of this is kind of a mess and still looks the same. We're gonna probably mount the TV this weekend. I am in the process of building this kitchen island that is a nightmare. Our kitchen is pretty much fully like organized and packed, which we love. We actually have food. It's like people live here. I mean, there's some stuff awry, but you know, for the most part. These are our new bath towels from Deucin & Deucin. They're so cool. I'll link them down below for you guys. I really want to play into the funkiness of our bathroom. Nothing exciting about the laundry room other than the fact that we got this shelf from Amazon. I will link this as well to hold all of our pots and pans and like, you know, crock pot, juicer, KitchenAid, blender. This is so helpful. We do have a good amount of storage in the kitchen, but not as much as we need. I got this beautiful waterfall glass console table on Facebook Marketplace and put it here. This is gonna be like my work desk area. This will be hung on the wall and like obviously everything will change, but I need to get a chair for this and it's like the perfect size. It's not too big because I don't need a huge desk. Hello, look who I'm with.
You know what? A really good memory I have of you. When I was just so young and little and probably 16 and I came to LA for the first time. And I don't know where we had met before, probably like some trip, whatever. And you were like, okay, when you come to LA, we'll hang out. And like normally that doesn't happen, but Maddie actually did something and literally took me out for the whole day in LA, took me to Toast, showed me everything. Toast. So nice.
Oh my God, I'm dead.
That's so sweet. And I was just young and 16.
Good morning, friends. I'm headed to a 7 a.m. Rumble class for some reason. Honestly, I'm feeling pretty awake, so off to a good start.